everyone. Um, Due to everything that's going on, and we just found out today that we are not going to have school for the remainder of the year, I decided to move on to life cycles. Mainly because today is such a beautiful day outside, and if you haven't been outside already, you should totally go there. Because it's spring and new things are coming up, I decided to take on life cycles. Now we're going to be looking at two different life cycles. The first one that we're going to look at, and you guys can already see this when you go outside, is a plant's life cycle. Now, who knows how a plant starts? Thoughts? Considerations? A seed. Very good. Miss Erin, and you can't laugh, it's a little silly, Miss Erin drew the life cycle of a plant. And if you look here, it starts as a seed. So we've got the dirt right here, and then we've got a little seed that somebody stuck in the dirt, maybe an animal or something. And then, because it's a life cycle, which means circle, we're going to go to circle. And we're going to start down this way. So if you follow this line right here, I might have to make it darker, but you follow the line right down there, we've got a little seedling. Now if you look, the seed's still under the dirt, but it sprouted a little plant. If you look really close, see all those green lines coming off of that? Those are roots. So when it rains, the roots act like a straw and they suck up the water and give it to that plant. Okay? And if you follow the line again, see the line right there? And we're going to go down here, and we've got our dirt again because dirt's important. You have your seed, and if you look, there's a lot more roots coming off. And the sprout grows a little bit bigger. This is what we call a sprout, so we've got a couple sets of leaves. And then if you follow the line up, we've got our root system here, but Miss Erin forgot to color the dirt, and I'll have to do that later. And up through here, it grew a flower. Now in the flower, the yellow part, and sometimes in the petals, they have seeds. What happens is that seeds either get blown away by the wind, or animals or insects or stuff carries it, and they lose them into the ground. Sometimes the birds will eat them and then they poop. Gross! But that seed goes into the ground and it starts all over again, making this giant circle. See, that's why we call it a life cycle, because cycle means circle. So we are going to try to grow our own plants. And Miss Erin will show you a seed tomorrow. We're going to try putting it in the dirt and everything else. Now, because we're seeing a lot of this right now in this season, Miss Erin decided to read a book called Spring. And spring is a time when you see the plants and seeds starting to come out of the ground because it's starting to get warm. Plants need some warm weather, just like Miss Erin and you do, to grow. All right, so let's see what this book says about spring. I know it's spring when I hear the birds singing when I wake up. Did you hear the birds singing when you woke up? You did? Me too. It makes me feel like singing too. Look at him. He's playing a little guitar and he woke up his baby brother. It's time for t-shirts and new shoes. Or if you're like Miss Erin, you get new flip-flops. Tricky shoelaces and big buttons. Do you guys know how to do buttons and shoestrings yet? Me neither. Wait, no, I do. Silly Miss Erin. Sorry, my puppy outside distracted me. Baby animals play in the sunshine. Funny bugs buzz and butterflies flutter by. Now remember, we're going to be learning about butterflies too. See if you guys remember some of these bugs. Do you guys remember what that's called? It's a dragonfly. And there's your butterflies. What kind of animals are those? You're right, it's a sheep. They go, bah! What sound does a goat make? I'm going to go with, ah! They eat everything. It's time to plant seeds and watch them grow. So he's got a little seed here. What do you need to help seeds grow? Dirt, the seed, water, and sunlight. I can water them with my can. I want to run and skip and jump and ride my tricycle as fast as I can. Ooh, look at all these pretty flowers. Everything starts to grow, including me. Look how big their flowers grew. I think she has what we call a sunflower, but we'll see. All right. So there you have it. Tomorrow when I come on, we are going to take a look at a seed and what we need to make it grow. So make sure you tell your moms and dads the things that you think you need in order to help make your seeds grow. Look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.